Are you spending most of your time analyzing endless logs and troubleshooting the same errors over and over? Are you drowning in documentation tasks while critical infrastructure issues are just piling up? Whether you're new to DevOps or a seasoned professional, these repetitive tasks are probably draining your time and your sanity. What if, in just 5 days, you could start building AI systems that understand your infrastructure, integrate with your tools, and solve your specific problems? And the best part? You can do it for free during KodeKloud's AI Free Learning Week, which is running from September 13th to September 20th. On day 1, you'll move beyond tedious manual debugging and learn to build intelligent systems that translate those cryptic error logs into actionable solutions in a fraction of the time. By day 2, you'll discover how to connect your organizational knowledge to AI, dramatically reducing time spent hunting through documentation. By day 3, you'll break free from reactive firefighting by creating your first AutoOps agents that can begin handling common incidents while you focus on strategic work. On day 4, you'll explore how to transform tool chaos into a unified AI mesh, understanding how specialized agents can work together like a coordinated team. And on day 5, you'll see how the complete picture, how these components can combine into an AI-powered system that acts as a force multiplier for your DevOps team, starting your journey towards fewer emergencies and less repetitive work. Plus, during this week, you will get unlimited access to over 130 of KodeKloud's courses and 900 plus hands-on labs. Sign up below. No credit card, no catch. Just 5 days to begin transforming your career. We will see you on day 1.